to be trigonometry. Trigonometry. Our topic is going to be trigonometry. First of all, let's understand a little bit information regarding trigonometry. What is the meaning of trigonometry? Look, tri, which means three, usually you know, and gono. Gono, you can say side. Okay, so three side we measure. We measure three sides, and metry. Metry, which means to measure. To measure something, measuring to something. So we measure three sides, okay, at the different angles. So in this lecture we will discuss in details regarding this. We understood what is the meaning of trigonometry. You should have some formulas to solve mathematics, to solve numericals in any chapter of maths. Okay, you should have formula in your mind. If you don't have, then let's understand some basics of formula. Some basics formula. Uh, some basics. Do you know Pythagoras theorem? Do you know? H. What is meaning? What do you understand by this? What do you understand by this? H. What is H? What is P? What is a B? We say H is hypotenuse of a triangle. Am I right? You would say yeah, you are right. P. P, which means perpendicular of a triangle. Clear? B, which means base. Base. Uh, Base of a triangle. We already you already know regarding this, because it is studied where in 8th in ninth class. But it is a connection, it is a connection with this trigonometry word, and this will help in our formula of trigonometry. Let's make a triangle with this help. We will name a triangle. This is a perpendicular. Perpendicular we name that it is what, a right angle. One side, two side. Now, so we are making a triangle. So already we understood that in triangle we have how many side? Three side. One, two, and last is this third. Now how to name? How to name? Where to name? All this in triangle diagram. In triangle diagram. First of all, A, B, C, D, like that we name it. Let's suppose this point, this side is A. For identify, I am naming it. Okay, A, B, C, so that we can identify. Clear? So that we can identify. Here you can recognize that this is what this angle is at 90 degree. This angle is at 90 degree because our this side is straight, this right, that's why right, this like that, horizontal, vertical vertical line presents what, 90 degree angle. So this is at 90 degree angle because of this is a right vertical angle, vertical line. That's why this is not vertical, and also this is not horizontal. Horizontal is this. This is horizontal. This is horizontal, and this is hypotenuse. We name it hypotenuse. So it will be fixed. It will be fixed. We can't change name of this. Okay, but it will not be. It will not be fixed. We can name it according to theta, according to angle. Where is angle? So Angle will decide our base and our perpendicular. But our angle will not decide what hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be fixed. Hypotenuse will not be changed. Okay. So theta we use theta. Theta what is the theta? Let's understand a little bit better information about the theta. Theta we write it when we don't know or don't know how much is the angle. Okay, real number of angle we don't know. That's why we use theta in our mathematics. So here you know angle degree. Then okay. So theta, otherwise you can say the angle. Angle will decide our base and our perpendicular of a triangle. Okay. Let's suppose our angle, our theta is here. Here, okay. So opposite side this to this angle will be what? Perpendicular. Remember it. So opposite this is this side. So this side will be perpendicular. Will be perpendicular. 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 So this angle is a deciding. I am not a deciding. You are not a deciding it. This angle is a deciding. Who will be your perpendicular? So I will decide. Who is the same? This theta is the same. So opposite to the this theta will be our perpendicular, and left, whatever we have left side, this side. Already we know that hypotenuse will be fixed. Hypotenuse will not be changed by any one person. So now we have what this side. So this side will be of course base. This side will be base. Got it? That's how we name hypotenuse perpendicular base. This is how. Okay. So here we looked, we saw difference. What is the difference? The difference is that angle will decide where is the perpendicular, where is the base. Who will decide? Our theta, our angle. Okay. We understood that our angle is at A. Okay. So here opposite this side is our what? Perpendicular, and we have left what? Base. So this side is named what? Base. Now let's suppose we have angle is at C. Angle is at C. Now perpendicular will perpendicular be same? Will perpendicular be same? No. According to theta, according to angle, our perpendicular will be opposite to angle C. So opposite to angle C is our this side. This is our side. So this side is our perpendicular, and this is already we know this is hypotenuse, and we have left side which is this side is perpendicular. Got it? And this is hypotenuse. So here, rather than writing long word, we we write only first letter of any word in triangle. We have hypotenuse. So here, rather than writing hypotenuse word, we can represent what H word by H word. So H word will indicate that will explain that your H is a hypotenuse. Got it? Similar here, your perpendicular word is starting is beginning with capital letter P. So here P will be our indication to represent perpendicular word. To represent perpendicular word. Got it? So here wherever we need perpendicular, then we can write only P in big letter to represent perpendicular side. Okay. Similarly, our first letter of basis would be, so we can write to represent base. Got it? Let's suppose we have one unit base, we have 1 centimeter perpendicular. and this is root 2, root 2, root 2. Till now we tried to understand that what is a what is Pythagoras theorem, what is a triangle in the context of a trigonometry, what is a hypotenuse, what is a perpendicular, what is a base. Okay. Forward. Yeah. Our topic is trigonometry. That's why sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Now we are taking a step on formula of trigonometry. On formula of trigonometry. Here, sine theta is equals to this is formula. How did it come? Also, we can understand. So, formula of sine theta is what? P by h. P by h. You can understand it how? Uh, by put a hypotenuse in both sides with a square. Here you are looking what a square will get cancelled. A square is getting cancelled. A square is getting cancelled. H 1 we have remain how many 1 here. B by h. So here try to understand P by h. Our first is sine. Okay, sine. Then we have cos theta. Formula of cos theta. So here P by h. So P by h is a formula of sine theta. Cos theta. Next is P by h. So it is a very simple to understand. First letter will be start from P perpendicular, then base, then tan theta. So here tan theta it is said, it is believed that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So here when we write sin theta upon cos theta, it means this is a formula. This is also formula. We can put a value of a sin theta and value of a cos theta. Then we will get in that manner. Okay. How? P by h, then P by h, then B by h. So here h will get cancelled. Then we have P by b. P by b. This is a formula. We can write also like that P by b. So also this is a formula and also this is formula. When in question would say that find value of h. So here we don't have a value of h. We have a value of p. We have a value of p. So question is the same. Find the value of h. So how would we find value? So to apply Pythagoras theorem. Got it? So here this is also formula, this is also formula. So it will depend through question. Okay. By question. How does question say? So now cot theta. So cot theta is a reciprocal. Cot theta is opposite just of cot theta is just opposite of a tan theta. So cot theta can be written like that. B by P. Okay. Uh, we wrote how many? 5? No, 4. 4. Now we have left how many? Sec theta, cosec theta. Okay. Sec theta, cosec theta. Here remember, sec is just of costed. Sec is just of costed. Is just of costed. So sec. So here costed. So I am saying, but sec is just opposite of costed. So of course this will be opposite. This will be written in opposite manner. So h by b. H by b. Similar here, cos theta is just opposite of sin theta. So of course this will be written in opposite manner. So h by b. All this all are our formula. Got it? Remember, tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Similar, cot theta is opposite of tan theta. So cot theta will be opposite like that. So here I am saying what cot theta is just opposite of a tan theta. So it can be written in opposite manner. Cos theta by sin theta. Forward it, we will look after solving questions. Okay, after solving question. Sometimes we can forget. That's why I am writing here formula of cosec theta, sec theta. That's it. It is enough. Let's take question. We are moving on question. I am taking an question. Question number 1. Triangle ABC. ABC right angled at B. AB is equal, AB is 20 centimeter and BC is how much? 7 centimeter. So determine first question is determine find out value of sin A into cos A. Do you have any idea after studying some formulas of trigonometry? You have a question in front of you. You have question. This is question. So do you have any idea after looking this question? How can you solve it? You have some minutes to think. Here, it is saying from beginning. Let's Right. We have triangle. Let's make. We have what? Triangle. Okay. Let's name it. A, B, C. We have a triangle. So right angle where at B. It is saying your B is what? Right angle. Of course, this is what? This side is right angle. Also, you can say this is perpendicular. AB, you have AB is how much? 24 centimeter. So AB, this is a 24 centimeter. Okay. Whatever given by question, we are putting. That's it. Then it this question would say there's a find out. So we will find out. We will find. So AB is how much of 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Okay. We don't have a value of AC, which is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, value of hypotenuse we don't have. So is it compulsory? Is it compulsory to find out the value of hypotenuse? How can we check? How to check that we need to compulsory? We need to find out the value of a hypotenuse. So here sin theta is equals to p by h. Cos theta is equals to b by h. Okay. So here we are looking what h what h which is represents hypotenuse. So of course would be compulsory to find out value of hypotenuse. So to find out the value of hypotenuse, we will apply what Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we don't have a value of hypotenuse. We already know. P is how much? Uh, P is how much here? P we have a 24 centimeter. Then B 7 centimeter. Centimeter in last step we can add 24 24. 576 965 7456. H is how much? Hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. How much? Hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. That is how we find out value of hypotenuse, value of perpendicular, value of base of a triangle. Now we have a value of hypotenuse. That's it. Now let's put all this value according to question. According to question. Sin A, cos A. Here, sin A. So here, according to theta is what? Theta is A. So our angle will be at A. Okay, here, according to sin A, I am saying. So here, perpendicular hour will be according to sin A. So opposite to this angle is this side. So this side is our perpendicular, and we have left side this. This side will be named as base, and this already is fixed, which is hypotenuse. So here this is 25 centimeter. Okay, hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Sin A is equal P by H. Okay, then multiple B by H. Okay, so according to theta, we will put a value of perpendicular, value of base. This is the difference. In this step, we could mistake in solving like that question. P is how much? 7 centimeter. H 25. B 24. It is also said your angle at A according to cos A. So B is 24. 7. That's it. 7 4 is 28. 7 2 is 14. 14. 60. 7 5 is then 7 2 is 14. 14. 20. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Yeah, I'm right. So this was a simple. We did multiple. So here can we write sine A is P by H. P is 7 centimeter and H 25 centimeter. This is value of a sine A. Cos A is B by H. Then B is 24 centimeter. We are just putting value of B of B of H because of we have all value of B H. 24 centimeter. H is 25 centimeter. Okay, that's it. Should we move on next question? Next question is in figure. Find tan P quarter. That's it. Figure is already given by question. Figure is like that. If we see it carefully, then we will feel that it is very easy. Just step by step, we can solve it. Then we will feel what confident that it is very easy. Here you are looking. This side is what right angle. This is representing that this side is your right angle. This is at 90 degree. Okay, so this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always fixed. That's why it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse can't change their own place. And this is our what base, you can say base. Okay, so here we are looking what we don't have a value of QR. Value of QR. We have a value of PQ, value of PR, but we don't have a value of QR. So is it compulsory to find out the value of QR? Can equals to P by B, P by B, quote B by B. So of course it is a compulsory. It is a compulsory. So by applying Pythagoras, okay. Uh, this is H is 30 centimeter. Then P how much? 12. 5, then 2. Then we have B is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. That is how we can find out value of any side of a triangle. Okay. So here you can see you can write like that PQ 12 centimeter. Then QR 5 centimeter. Then PR 13 centimeter. According to question, tan P minus quarter. Let's put the value of tan. So here theta is P. So our angle is at P. So of course opposite to P, this side is what? Perpendicular. So tan P, P by B. Okay. According to R, not according to P. So our angle is at R. Is at R. So our this opposite side would be what? Perpendicular. So B by P. Perpendicular is how much? 5 centimeter. B 12 centimeter. Then B how much? 5 centimeter. And perpendicular 12 centimeter. Here you are looking what? 12, 12, 5, 5, 0, 0. This is how to solve like that question. Like that question. Do you have any doubt regarding this question? Uh, should we take next question? Question number 3. If sin A is equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan X. Can you solve it? Are you able to solve it? Are you able to solve it? Let's solve it together. Here, given value, or whatever we have given, we can write in first step. Sin A 3 by 4. So sin theta is what? P by H. Like that we wrote. So here this is a way. It is representing. It is telling us that P, you have a value of P is 3 centimeter, and you have a value of H is how much? 4 centimeter. But you don't have a value of base. Of course, by applying Pythagoras theorem, You have to find out value of base. Okay, so we don't have value of base. So it is our first duty to find out base. Uh, H is how much? 4 centimeter. B 3 centimeter. B we don't have. We don't have value of B. That's why we are solving first of all it. 4 4 just 16. 3 3 is a 9. 6 minus 9. We have 7. Am I right? 7. We have B. B is root 7. B is root 7. Now we are able to solve cos A and tan A. Okay. And cos A. B by H. Am I right? B root 7. H. H or tan A. P by B. So P is how much? 3. B root 7. Okay, that's it. That is how we can solve it like that. Do you have any doubt in that? This was our answer. These are our answer. We are moving on the next question. We are moving on next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. You have given sec theta, which is 13 centimeter upon 12. Calculate or other trigonometric ratios. Let's solve it together without any barrier. First of all, we already given we can write and given by equation it is easy to solve equation. So given is 6. Sec theta is 13 by 12. Sec theta is 13 by 12. So sec is just opposite of cosec. Sec is just opposite of cosec. Cosec no cos. So cos is equals to b by h. Now sec theta would be h by b. H by b. H is how much? 13 centimeter. B is 12 centimeter. So we have a don't value of p. That's why it is compulsory to find out value of a perpendicular. H square. Here we have a value of hypotenuse. 13 square. 13 to the square. B more. B 12, 12. Okay. So here 169, 145, how much? 5, 5. So here already we have value of second. Question is saying calculate all other apart from this all other except this you find value of all other trigonometric ratio. Already we have a value of a second. So next from beginning let's try to find out sine theta. P is how much? P is your 5 centimeter. Okay. H is your 13 centimeter, B is your 12 centimeter. So sin theta is P by H. P by H. P is 5 centimeter. H 13 centimeter. That's it. Cos B by H. B 12 H 13. Then tan is sine upon cos. So here sine upon cos, otherwise you can say P by B. P by B. P 5, B 12. B is 12. Cot is just opposite of tan theta. So B is 12 and P is 5. Now 2 to 4, 5. Last is cosec theta. Cosec theta is just opposite of sin theta. Suppose H by P. H is 13 and P 5. We find out, we solved it. We solved it. This is how to solve like that question. So let's move on next question. On next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. If cot theta 7 by 8 evaluate now you have like that question. How would you solve it? How would you solve it? You have a cot theta. Let's solve it. Cot theta is given by equation, which is 7 by 8. Cot B by P. B by P. 7 by 8. Okay. B is 7 and P is 8 centimeter. We don't have value of hypotenuse. So hypotenuse H we don't know. 8 then 7. 8 8 is 64, 7 7 is 49. Then 3 11 under root of 113. Under root of 113. So now we have h, which is under root of 113. First question is saying you have 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here you are looking A, B, B. Two number is the same, is common. That's why we say A. The next variable is the same. So here we are looking at algebra. A, B, B. So here we are looking A plus B, A minus B. So here can we write A square minus B square? Similar here, A square minus B square. Here 1 square plus sine square theta. Here not plus minus, because plus minus minus. Similar here, by looking algebra we wrote like that. If you know the importance of algebra, then you will be able to understand. Now let's put value of a sine theta of the cos theta. Sine theta is p by h. P is 8 and h is okay. This fraction is in a square. Similar here, cos b by h, b 7, h under root of 130. This is in a square. Can we write this a square in separate? Of course. Here you are looking 8 8 is 64, a square and a root. So a square root will get cancelled. Then we will have, okay, 7 7 is 49. A square root will get cancelled. How much we have? Oh, now we have a fraction. We have fraction. Forward it, you already know how to solve it. Just I am finding out answer. Then similar here. Uh, Here 9, there 4. Am I right? Similar here 49. No. 4, then 6. 130. Will get cancelled. 7 7 9. 8 8 64. 7 by 8. Otherwise you can write till here. Otherwise 7 by 8 will be your final answer of this question. Look at how did I solve it step by step. You can assume how did answer came. After few minutes, we are moving on the next question. On next question, 49 by 64. I am erasing it and we are moving on next question. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6. If 3 quarter A is equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A, then 1 plus tan square A, cos square A minus sin square A or not. Question is saying the value of this side is equals to value of this side, yes or no. Okay, by putting value of each trigonometric ratio, we will be able to find out that it is equals to both value of this side is equals to or not. Okay, so we have given what uh, given 3 cot A is equals to 4. So here 3 is in multiple. So this side is in multiple. 3 is in multiple. And when we will write 3 in other side of equation, then multiple will get divided. Am I right? So here cot A will be cot A will become 4 by 3 because 3 is in multiple, but in equation 3 will be in opposite in divide. 4 upon 3, cot A 4 upon 3. We know that cot A B by B. So B is equals to 4 and B is equals to 3. We don't have value of H. H, no, we don't know. Okay. B 3. B is how much? 4. 3 3 is a 9, 4 4 is 16, 25. We have value of hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Okay. How much? 5 centimeter. Let's take one side. One side. So here you are looking what 1, then tan A. So here we are looking what tan A. P by B, am I right? So P is 3 and then P, P by B. B is 4. Uh, cos A, P by H. B by H. So B 4, then 5, then minus sin P by B. P by B. P by H. 3. H how much? 5. This is in a square. Let's see value of this is equals to value of this or not. Okay. 1 by 1. 3 3 is 9. 4 4 is 16. 1 by 1. Plus 3 3 is 9. 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16. 5 5 is 25. 3 3 is 9. 5 is 25. Okay. 16. 16 minus 9. 16 and 16 plus 9. Then 5. No, 7. 7 by 16. Then 25 by 16. 16, 16 will get cancelled. Will get cancelled. Now we have how much? 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Is it right or not? Here, this side we find out how much? 7 by 25. Now let's find out value of this side. Value of this side. 25. 25. So here 7 by 25. Yeah. LHS and RHS. How much? 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Hence proved it. Hence proved it. Because LHS value of LHS is 7 by 25, and similar same value of RHS is 7 by 25. That's all, because both value is the same. That's why we can say that it is equals. This is a value of both this side is equals. Is equals. Next we are moving on next question. You can see how did I find out answer. We are moving on next question. Next question is 7. Question number 7. A triangle PQR right angle at Q PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter, and PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. Determine the values. Determine the values of sin P, cos P, and tan P. Let's solve it together. Do you have any idea First of all, let's make a diagram of a triangle by given value of each side by question. So here it is saying you have a triangle, name is PQR, right angled at Q. Our Q will be right angle. Our Q will be right angle. This right angle is Q. What? Q. So of course this will be P and this will be R. Here it is saying PQ is your 5 centimeter. We, we don't know value of QR and also we don't know value of exact value of PR. It is saying your value of PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter. But it is not saying exact value of PR. So let's suppose this value is X. We don't know. Okay. We don't know. Yeah. Here you are looking QR then plus PR. How much? 20 centimeter. How much? 20 centimeter. So can we write that QR our will be 20 minus PR. 20 minus PR. Can we write? Let's just find out value of PR. We just to put value of PQ QR. Okay. Then here you are looking 50 50 50 50 50 25 25 50 then minus PR square will get cancelled out. Then we have 50 is a plus. Then here will be we are supposed to 50 PR. Then PR 1. No, it is wrong. Something is wrong. Let's say this is x, base is x, and then hypotenuse is 25 minus x. 25 minus x. Okay, hypotenuse is 25 minus x. Now let's find out value. How to solve? How to solve forward? So here we have to find out value of x. So p, then p, okay, a minus b square 25 minus 50. Okay. Then x square, 25 plus x square. Am I right? Am I right? So here, now this is correct. Here, just look. 625 is in plus, 25 is in plus. So of course this will come this side, then this will be in, this will become in negative side. 6. So here will be subtract what? 600. 25. Minus will get cancelled out. 10 will get cancelled out. 12 adds 60. Value of x is 12. Okay. So x is 12. This is 12. Then 13 of course. H is 30. This was difficult. This could be difficult for some students because of it is in extreme state. So our PQ is, question is sine P, sine P. So according to angle, our angle is at P. So our perpendicular will be QR. QR is how much? 12. And H 30. Cos P. Cos P. B by H. P. So 5 by 30. Then tan P. P by B. That is how. We are moving on next question.